Through your vocational program, you're gaining very specific skills. Today, we're going to take a look at where you can put your newly acquired skills to use: the highway construction and transportation industry. The completion of projects on our nation's highways that improve the movement of people, goods, and services is what's referred to as highway transportation project delivery. Project delivery translates into real-world projects that people build every day. This industry has a constant demand for technically trained people that can construct, maintain, and preserve the nation's highways, bridges, and tunnels. But did you know that people working on our nation's highways are also using innovative technologies and state-of-the-art tools and equipment? From the field to the desk, and everywhere in between, various technologies are used in all aspects of highway construction projects. Once an industry reliant upon paper contracts, reports, plan sheets, and specifications, today's projects are now managed using digital documents, data, and communications. Referred to as e-construction, these processes allow various groups and individuals to collaborate in real time on computers, tablets, and smartphones via the cloud. Let's look at some examples of how this works, starting at the beginning of a project. All highway projects start with planning and design. Surveyors are integral to these early project phases as they use various technologies to collect digital data to map, design, and construct roads, bridges, and tunnels. During planning and design, surveyors use total stations, GPS, laser scanners, and unmanned aerial systems, more commonly known as drones, to create 3D models. 3D model design software assists engineers in determining roadway alignments, including grading of slopes, curves, and other features along the selected route. All of this digital design data can then be exported and transferred to an onboard vehicle computer, and coupled with GPS, it guides and directs heavy construction equipment like bulldozers, graders, excavators, and paving machines, referred to as Automated Machine Guidance, or AMG. This connectivity allows heavy equipment operators and technicians to receive and work with the most accurate, up-to-date information, even if mid-cycle design changes are made. A heavy equipment operator will use AMG to complete the job by downloading the 3D model to the onboard computer and assigning a specific task to the equipment. The operator will then use the electronic information to guide equipment to the areas where dirt must be moved, to very specific levels and grades, while also monitoring the software's output. As manufacturers develop more automated tools with improved accuracy and efficiency, highway construction jobs become more high-tech. Take materials testing technicians, for example, who must increasingly know how to operate and program more sophisticated equipment and utilize software applications. On a construction site or in a lab, materials testing technicians are responsible for conducting tests to verify materials meet specification requirements. Using innovative testing apparatus and software that records test results for analysis, technicians measure the strength of soil, test asphalt properties at a range of different temperatures, or investigate the effects of environmental exposure on concrete samples. But testing the material isn't the end. The contractor's work and finished products also need to be inspected by a qualified construction inspector who verifies that the built project meets specifications. An inspector will electronically prepare reports or records to verify work is completed through cloud-based inspection logs or diaries, using photos to enhance detailed descriptions. The inspector's documentation helps the engineer and project manager with preparing and processing change orders and progress payments. That's not to mention all those workers in the field who also use that digital information for their project tasks. No highway construction project today is completed without trades, such as carpenters, masons, welders, and electricians, most of whom use or refer to their smartphones and tablets while on a job site to verify plans, research specifications, record work, and much more. A foreman who is leading a team of carpenters may use his tablet to double-check an overhead clearance detail before setting concrete forms on a bridge. At the end of the day, he will also electronically submit his daily report and the digital as-built plans to the office. A mason apprentice may use an app to review checklists while assisting a journeyman, placing a decorative facing on a concrete retaining wall. A welder may regularly use her smartphone to look up specifications and document the extent of welding with photos as she makes field repairs to a damaged bridge component. An electrician may reference electronic part sheets or use a technical app that applies electrical formulas and calculations to his work. Each of these skilled trades are critical to completing projects safely and keep traffic moving, all while using e-construction to communicate, share photos, take videos, gather and record data, and refer to up-to-date project plans and documents. With today's digital job site, you can bet that there's also a need for information technology, IT technicians, in the highway transportation industry. An IT tech on a construction site provides technical support and may be tasked to install or troubleshoot specialized software or hardware on construction equipment, manage data, and keep track of an inventory. She may also be asked to write code to transfer data from a GPS rover that's collecting data in the field to a design program in the office. This role has never been more vital in this industry. Roads and bridges today are built by public agencies and innovative companies coming together with the latest technology and equipment to deliver quality projects. There's much more that goes into building our nation's highway system than just moving dirt and rocks. In fact, technology is incorporated into the performance of every job. In the highway construction industry, your education will provide opportunities for technology-enabled jobs such as drone operator, asphalt lab technician, lead bridge inspector, traffic signal technician, project office manager, crane operator, systems diagnostic IT tech, or maintenance equipment mechanic. The possibilities are nearly endless, and all are dependent upon effective use of technology.